and she shows him off to all her friends. One day you know that beaver tried to leave her, so she gave him up a cyclone fence. Along came Lou with the old baboons and recognized that smell. It smells like 7-Eleven. That beaver ain't got out of New Orleans and he traveled with the carnival shows. Ran bump cars, sucked cheap cigars, and he candied up his nose. You know, wouldn't look a big brown beaver, so he thought he'd dig himself a peek. But the beaver was quick, then he grabbed him by the kiwis and he ate his poor week. She stuck him up in the air. Said I sure do love this big brown beaver and I wish I did have a pair. And the beaver once slept for 7 days and it gave us all an awful fright. So I tickled